Guys, so now that I have your attention, of course, Bitcoin is not going to zero. Well, let's hope not anyway. So is exactly what I was talking about at the start of the year when I said that people can be very, very erratic. So, for example, Bitcoin has had a 93% move since January the 1st, and now, of course, we're seeing a pullback, which I said on Bitcoin, we're going to see between 10 to even 30% pullbacks, and okay, we've got a 20% pullback at the moment. Because you have to remember, guys, the market, no matter what market it is, no matter how great the asset is, no matter what you're trading or investing in, there always has to be a pullback, right? And this is just traders taking profit. This is, people's, take profits being hit. This is people selling. It's just so many things that are going on, which is why the market starts to correct itself. We find a new support level, and then of course we then continue our trend to the upside, or the market could of course start ranging before we see another impulse move. And again, we saw this pattern in 2017, even when we did see the bull run from $600 all the way to 20,000. Of course, the market did not go in a straight line. We saw a pullback here, we saw market pullback here, and then we saw, of course, a pullback right towards the end of the year, and then we saw pretty much a bear trend in 2018, and then of course we started to see the market range between 2019 and 2020. And then what did we see? A complete breakout to the upside, which is what we're experiencing now, and what we saw towards the end of 2020. And of course, all we're seeing now is a 20% pullback. So remember, guys, just stay calm, stay focused, don't get over erratic. This is actually a good thing because it means that you can now buy at a cheaper price. Or if you, I don't know, haven't had any Bitcoin and you want some Bitcoin, then of course you want price to pull back so you can buy Bitcoin a lot cheaper. So guys, you always have to have a macro perspective of the market. Of course, if you're on, let's say, the 1 hour time frame, then you're having a heart attack because you may have bought here, and in your mind the market's just going back down to zero or wherever it's going to be, right? So you always have to have a perspective in mind. Of course, if this is just a day trade for you, then take the loss. You've lost for the day. But of course, if this is a long-term thing for you, then this is good news because it means you can buy cheaper. So that's just a bit of insight into what's currently happening and what I actually explained on my other videos, guys. Expect pullbacks, get excited about pullbacks because you can buy cheaper. Again, wishing you all an incredible 2021, and I hope all your dreams come true. Speak to you soon.